Just put it not up there, not up there.
Zum Beispiel, dann kann man da arbeiten vor. Muss man auch gar nicht die volle Breite, aber dann kannst du da ein bisschen draufstehen, denke ich mir. Also so, so, so. Eigentlich kann man auch noch so zulegen. So, aber so kämst du von hier rüber laufen, wenn du nur dahin willst.
Ja, ne, das ist alles, was ich brauche.
Dann drehen wir hier noch ein paar Schrauben rein, dass das nicht kippelt. Ich dämme da einfach so drüber und dann zieht man das so ein bisschen zur Seite, weil an sich willst du ja die Dämmung haben. Also du könntest im Prinzip das auch so machen, dass wenn du fertig bist mit dem, dann machst du.
So, hier noch einen Rahmen. Ja.
We're having a pretty rough storm going on. Just as the other day when I cleared the road on the ATV trail over there. This is actually a bit scary, to be honest. There are quite a few tall trees around here. If they come down, they can do a lot of damage. Even if it's quiet for a moment, there is just this constant roar going on over there in the background. So it's better to stay inside today. Okay, welcome to the office. This is actually the fireplace room that you've seen in the previous video. And I'm currently trying to get a building permit for a wood shop slash carport that I'm trying to build over there where the cars are. This is of course just the first drawing. The entire building is supposed to be 12 or even 13 meters long. And it has 6 meters in depth. So the idea is to have a wood shop here on the left side, preferably with a glass front. And that room would be properly insulated. And then on the right side, there would be 3 slots for cars to go in. This will help because I'm running out of storage, basically. And currently I don't have a proper space to work on things. And I figured out over the course of the last 1.5 years that I enjoy working with wood quite a lot. So having a dedicated wood shop, it would just be nice to have. This would of course be a project for next year. I mean, if I can get the permit for it. And I've done some groundwork already. We have leveled the floor with an excavator last year, and I filled up everything with gravel. I also ran a drainage all the way from the parking space down to the pond. I mean, this is going to be quite an undertaking. I mean, the building is going to be huge. Okay, so both parts of the roof are now properly insulated. I had the old insulation removed because it was just packed with dirt. And the new insulation is now 30 centimeters thick compared to the sawdust that they used back in the days, which was around 20 centimeters thick. And this new insulation is also much more energy efficient. You can already feel it. Insulating an old house like this can really be a rabbit hole. It's like, where do you start? Where do you stop? There are so many things that could be improved, but at the end of the day, it comes down to cost. I have some massive radiators here in some of the rooms, and I think with the new ground heating, I should be fine. And if all goes bad, I still have the oven, which does actually generate quite a lot of heat. I cleaned up here at the property, and actually it is surprisingly warm. I think last year at that time we had snow already. But anyway, winter can come.